It's amazing.
I've never seen anything like it.
I can't believe it. The whole place is packed with pink Pokemon.
It is cloudy so far today, and it's supposed to rain and get pretty windy later on. But for now, I'm gonna go for a quick walk before it starts raining. Very interesting. Looks like it's really raining over there already. Starting to sprinkle here too. Seems like I gotta get back like 5 minutes ago. So better hurry. Don't want to get too wet. I was hoping with all this gravel I could find some sea glass or something, but I haven't found anything really. And yeah, the waves are coming in pretty fast. Just a bunch of pebbles. So earlier today when I was doing a little bit of sea glass hunting, this is what I found. A few pieces. So there hasn't really been much stormy weather.
Maybe that's because Meowth finally found true happiness.
No wind, not that much anyway.
Seems so grateful. The time has come to perform the bounty ceremony.
Bounty ceremony?
I had more last night.
According to the
I guess we'll try. A truce! Finally, the two of you can live happily ever after.
Sounds like the windstorm finally made it here. It's a little late, but we're here now. It's too dark. We hear it. I finally shaved today. I hate shaving, but I also hate having a beard. It's so uncomfortable and annoying. So one of them had to win out eventually, and that's why I shaved. So the power was gonna go out, which is kind of funny because I'm using an electric razor, and it's almost dead. I haven't even found the cord yet, so I still gotta find the cord. Still raining, and still very windy. Yep. Hey look, you can kind of see my shadow, silhouette. Yeah. There you go. Oh, let me turn this off, see if we can hear it from the house. Without opening a window or a door, can you hear it? I'll have to find out later. I know I could hear it. It's like currently. Very windy and very rainy. Outside. Surprised the power hasn't went out yet.